Hello and welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this video, we will see how to draw charts in Flutter. So let's start. To draw charts in Flutter, we need to add a plugin. So we need to open the pubspec.yaml file. So let's go to the file and add this plugin. I'll be providing the link in the description. Okay. So we need to import some packages, the math package and the charts package. All right. Now we need to have a list of chart series which we are going to display in the chart. So that's called series list. Okay. Now I'm going to create a class that we are going to use it in the chart. So that will have a year and sales and a constructor that will accept the year and sales. Okay. Now let me create some random data to be displayed in the chart. So that will return a list of chart series. Okay. And of type sales and string. I'm going to call it create random data. Okay. A random variable. Okay. And let me create an array, desktop sales data, and create some dummy values. 2015, random dot next end of 100. Okay. 2016, 17, 18, and 19. Okay. Now we have a random set of data. This function has to return a list of chart series data, right? So let's create that. So return array of charts series. Okay. Now set the ID for the first series as sales and the domain function will have the sales and second one is optional parameter. So we will see what is domain function. So that's going to display the year and the measure function will display the sales data, the desktop sales data. Okay. Now we need to initialize the series list. So init state and series list is equal to create random data. Okay. Now we'll create the chart. So for that, let's write a function and that will return a bar chart which will accept the series list. Set the animate to true and the vertical to true. Okay, so that will be a vertical bar chart. Okay, now let's restart the app. Okay, now we have our vertical bar chart. All right. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to change the color of the chart. So for that, let's go to the chart series and add the function, the fill color function. That's going to accept sales and second one is optional parameter. And this has to return the color for the chart. So let's add a condition. We're going to check the year. If it is 2016, we're going to return, let's say, red color. Otherwise, we will return a green color. Okay, so let's restart the app. Okay, now 2016 has red color, right? Let's change that to blue. Okay. Okay, now let's change the chart to display a group data. So let me add two more arrays. Second one is called, let's say, tablet sales data. Third one, mobile sales data. All right. Okay, now we will add two more chart series. Change the second one to tablet sales data, third one to mobile sales data. Okay, so if I restart the app, you can see a grouped bar chart. if I set the vertical to false, it will become horizontal. Okay. Okay, now let's change the grouping style. Let's change that to, now it is grouped. Let's change that to stacked. So bar grouping type stacked. So now it became stacked. All right. Okay, now let's change the color for 2016 stack data. So green and yellow. So you can see that for 2016 it has changed. Okay. Now let's add a stroke to each data in the display, in the graph. So default renderer charts dot bar renderer config. So you can set the grouping type here as well, and the stroke with pixels. Let me change that to 10 so you can see it, right? Now let's add one more property, the domain axis. So we will be hiding the y-axis, the year. So charts.ordinal axis spec, render spec, charts dot non-render spec. Okay. Now restart the app, so you can see that the y-axis is hidden now. Okay. Let me change that to grouped, and I am going to give different color for each chart series. So let me remove the condition. Okay, so the mobile sales data will have the yellow color, the tablet sales data will have green color, and the desktop sales data will have blue color. Okay, all right. Now let me change the yellow color to something else. Let's say purple. Okay, or set it to teal. Okay, yeah. So how do we make a pie chart out of this data? So pie chart will only accept one series of data. So let's go to our chart series array and comment out two series. So now we have only desktop series data, and change the bar chart to pie chart and remove the other properties that pie chart is not supporting. That's it. So now we have the pie chart now. Okay. Um, so it's that easy to create charts in Flutter. I'll be providing the link to the charts plugin in the description along with the source code link. So that's all in this video. Hope you like the video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Hit the bell icon for notifications. And also please leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.